In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Chrome zoom back to normal in just a few simple clicks. If your web pages look too big or too small, or you accidentally change the zoom level and want everything back to 100%, this quick fix will help. It's a simple Chrome setting, and you do not need any advanced tools or extensions. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This is the main menu where you'll find all of Chrome's settings and options. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. On the left side, or the main settings area, look for Appearance and click it. The Appearance section is where Chrome keeps display options like themes, font size, and zoom controls. Now scroll down until you find Page Zoom. This is the setting that controls how large or small websites appear when you browse. If the zoom was changed, you might notice it is set to something other than 100%. To reset it, click the drop-down next to Page Zoom and select 100%. As soon as you choose 100%, Chrome will apply the change and your pages should return to the default size. If a specific website still looks zoomed in or out, you can also use the browser shortcut Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac to reset that page's zoom instantly. But for a full browser reset, changing page zoom in Chrome settings is the best place to start. Once you've set it back to 100%, you're done. Your Chrome zoom is now reset, and browsing should feel normal again. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more easy Chrome tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.